Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another version of how I make Olehleh. In my country we call it Olehleh. In some other countries they call it Moi Moi. So I'm going to do another version completely from the last video. These are all my things, most of the things I'm going to use. This is my onions, my fresh tomato paste, and some spring onions, okay? I'm going to blend all of this and make stew, okay? So guys, I'm not going to finish the video today, but I'm going to prep all this and make my stew before mixing the moi moi. I already cleaned the beans. Just take a second, I'm going to show it to you. Okay guys, if you look at the beans, it's already cleaned. Okay, I told you before in one of my videos that when you are making moi moi or olehleh, even if you have some of the black eyes there, it doesn't matter, okay? But when you are making beans akara, make sure you pick all these black eyes out, okay? So guys, my beans is already washed. It's just to blend it now and continue with the moi moi. Okay guys, so let's sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my oil now for the stew. I'm going to make stew for the olehleh. Okay, so I pour my oil. Okay, I'm going to allow it to get hot before I put the onions, the fresh tomato, and everything. In this kind of sauce, just put seasonings of your choice. Okay guys, I'm putting my onions, fresh tomato on now. Guys, I decided to make a lot of sauce, okay, so that if it's not enough, I will not be disappointed. So that's why I make enough sauce, okay guys, because this kind of sauce that I'm making, you can even eat it with rice. So I decided to make enough. Okay guys, you can put seasonings of your choice also. So in this case, I'm just going to measure with my big eyes, okay? Just put any seasonings of your choice, okay guys?
Okay.
This is dash. Some call them, I see there are some they say Mrs. Dash, but this is dash. If you are not eating too much salt, it's very good, okay? The first one I put is knockers, okay? The red one, okay? And this is garlic pepper, okay? I'm just measuring with my eyes. You know I'm a virtuous woman, right? And I'm putting some of my pink salt. You can use any salt, it doesn't matter, okay? Put to your taste, okay? Okay guys, this is my tomato paste. Normally when I buy the big cup, and the remaining one I tie it and I freeze it. So that's why you're seeing it like this, okay? I'm putting some of it into the sauce. I have to break it. Okay. Just a little bit of the tomato paste, okay? That's it. So I'm going to allow this to boil and come to a frying point. All the water will dry up, okay guys? It looks good, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. You see the stew? Yeah, see? It looks so good, guys. And it tastes so good. Okay? So at this point in time, I'm going to turn off the stove, leave it to tomorrow, because it's good to make it when it's cold. Okay? So guys, I see you tomorrow. Good night. Okay guys, so this was the sauce I make yesterday. I told you that this method I'm using is different from the other method I make. So, and I believe this one is sweeter, but this one take more time. Okay, I have some mackerel here. Okay, this is the mackerel I use. Okay, so this is the sauce, some of the sauce. So this is the beans. I'm going to turn this into the blended beans now. Then I'm going to mash some of the mackerel into this one. Okay. Okay guys, I take some of the oil from the stew. It's what I'm going to put in. So in case you don't have enough oil, you can use any oil, okay? But because my stew have enough oil, that's why I'm just using the oil from the stew. So I'm going to mix it well. Okay, I'm going to add some salt, okay? You put salt to your taste, guys. How do you do so? Okay guys, I'm putting some more oil because it's not good for the olehleh to be too dried. Okay. Okay guys, I got this plastic from Target, so it's what I'm going to use to cook my moi moi, my olehleh. Okay, and I already have the pot on the stove to do the steaming. Yeah, okay guys, I got this pot from Walmart and it's so good to steam them. Okay, so I'm going to carefully put them into this bag. And I'm going to put some of the mackerel like this, okay, into each of the bags, okay. So this is how I'm going to do it, okay. This is how I'm going to cook it, okay guys. So I'm going to do the rest of this the same way, okay guys. Okay, good. Okay guys, I forgot to show you that I'm going to put some pepper in it, okay. So I'm going to use Kenya pepper, okay. Guys, I'm doing this moi moi again for my fans, the twins in Florida, the Massacoy family. So they're the one I'm doing this moi moi for. Okay, I like to make my fans feel happy to continue to watch my videos. Okay, I like taking care of my fans. I wish I can take care of all of you who have subscribed. Okay, guys, do you know how much we are now in subscription? 900 and something now. Okay, so I put some spice. Okay guys, see the olehleh is ready, so I'm going to take this first one off. So guys, you see what I'm doing? Okay, we hoping for the best to come out of this olehleh. Okay, so I'm going to put the second one and place the remaining ones. Okay, okay, let's just look at the water. Okay, we still have water underneath. Okay, it's going to take about maybe an hour and a half to cook well. Okay, so thank you so far. We're waiting for the end point. Okay guys, we're just coming to check to see how it is going. Okay, you see it's cooking. Did you see the steam? So when you are steaming with a steamer like this, you have to be checking to make sure the water is not dried up. Okay, so let's just check the water. The water is still there. Okay, so it means it's doing good. Okay, let's just check the bottom. See, it's doing really good. Okay, I didn't time it. What's the time now? It's 2 o'clock now. I think we started like 1 something. Okay, so let's just give it a few more minutes. But it's like it's almost done, guys. Okay, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay guys, we're going to see how it looks like, whether it's done. Okay, so hot. Oops, it's really hot. Okay, yeah, it's done. You see, it's done. Okay, yeah, it's done. Yeah, so tasty. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, you see guys, yeah, it's done. It's ready. Okay, it looks so good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. As you do, may God bless you. Did you see the way I'm sweating? Bye.